Good.
Oh, Ditto.
Oh, Ditto, we didn't have this one. Volcano. Oh my god. Galarian Meowth. Ooh, and a Toxtricity.
And Zarude, Hollow Toxtricity.
Nice.
That's really nice. We have this one, but it's good for the collection. Hey, how's it going, everybody? PokeDadTCG here. Today we will be opening the shiny Zacian Crown Zenith special premium figure collection. That's a long name. So yeah, I'll have a special guest today, and we're gonna battle and see which one will get better things from the box. And we'll start to unbox it, and then we're gonna go through the packs. As you probably know, this box contains one etched foil promo card with Zacian, shiny Zacian V, one sculpted figurine, one collector pin, 65 card sleeves, and 11 packs, and a cool card, of course. So yeah, I hope you're gonna stick until the end, and let's have some fun together. Alright, so I have my daughter here with me today. She's gonna help me unbox this beautiful shiny Zacian premium figurine collection box. And we're gonna start. She's gonna open up the 6 packs, and I'm gonna open up the other 5 packs. So I've cut the box a bit so we can take it out a bit easier. They are quite difficult to open. I don't want to rip the entire box.
Unboxing magic.
Okay, we'll put this to the side. So yeah, now let's see what we get here. We got the pin, we got the what is this one? The promo card. We got the figurine,
and
the sleeves, and the packs. All right, so let's take this out. Okay, put this to the side. And now I'm gonna zoom in a bit. Okay. So this is the pin. You can see how it looks like with Zacian, and you can really use this one. It's really nice and shiny. Put this to the side, and now let's look at the figurine. Zacian with the sword in his
and weird teeth.
Yeah, weird teeth. Okay, this looks nice with this blue and yellow colors. Pastel colors. Okay. Oh. Put this to the side. We got the sleeves. Not very excited about the sleeves, but they are what they are. Okay.
Still very nice.
Still very nice. Let me open it up.
Very shiny.
They are shiny. It's not bad, but it's just the print. It has a low quality here. Okay, I put the sleeves to the side. Hopefully we will use them.
Pastel. The statue is pastel. The pin is pastel. Why couldn't the sleeves be pastel?
Yeah, exactly. We got a code card here. Put that to the side. And we got a shiny Zacian promo. This is really nice.
Yeah. Looks like the baby shinies, the V ones.
Yeah. I'm gonna take these 5 packs. And she's gonna take the other 6.
Yep.
And we're gonna open one by one, see who has better luck. Alright, so let's get started. She's gonna start with the first pack. You can see we have the Marnie and Morpeko Matt here to help us.
Okay.
And don't forget to do the card trick. I'll show you. Open it up. This is what I see. Okay. And put them on the back like this.
And
we show the code.
White.
This is the code. Nice. We throw the code, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and we put them in here like this. Okay, and now you switch it. And we got green and green. Yeah, we got lip. Okay, we got Ultra Ball,
Slazzle, Dusclops, Snorunt, Ponyard, Tangela, Voltoy, Galarian Meowth. Ooh, and a Toxtricity!
And Zarude, Hollow Toxtricity.
Nice.
Nice.
That's really nice. We have this one, but
Yeah.
it's good for the collection.
Background.
And now my turn. Let's see what I got. Okay,
Good enough.
we got Wooloo.
I
We have the
love
code card. Oh,
Right?
this is a code card. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, V-Star.
It's a V-star. And
Not yet.
there's no energy. Rare candy.
If there isn't, it has to be an error.
Breaking shoes. Maybe I did it wrong.
Yeah, I
Wooloo.
think you did it wrong.
Shinx.
Handsome.
Pancham.
Snorunt.
Moran. Pony. Oh, there is something here.
Ooh, it's one of the
Do you think it's
pictures.
Pikachu? Let's hope it's Pikachu, guys.
Oh, I think it's.
Third week we got this one.
What did I just tell
And-
you?
Oh, it's another one.
No, it's normal.
Oh, it's Absol. Hollow.
But
Okay.
still nice. The smoke.
Yeah, so one pull for me too. Need help?
Half packs. They're sealed very good.
Yeah.
Oh, another Snorunt. Maybe
Okay,
another
we're gonna have
pull.
a family of Snorunt.
Yeah. Snow family. Okay. Snorunt, Uracraft, Tangela again, Boltoy,
Baltoy.
Galarian Meowth, Reverse, Corphish, Lightheart.
You didn't do the card trick. It's okay.
Oh.
It's okay. Energy.
Electric Energy, Ultra Ball, Changing History, and Lost Vacuum and the code card.
Didn't even show the code. Okay, no worries. Put it to the side. Okay, let's see what I got. So the chases for this one are Mewtwo V-Star,
Giratina nothing.
Gold, Leafeon, Glaceon.
Yeah, the V-Stars.
So we got a code card.
Y.
1, 2,
2,
3, 4. I didn't feel anything. Electric energy.
So it's another
looks like
electric, maybe nothing.
Solrock, Luxio, Metang,
So third week we got it 3
Emolga.
times.
11 days,
Kind
yeah.
of.
Chatot, Yanma,
That's what
Ponyard,
yeah.
Riolo Reverse. I don't think I have this one.
Yeah. Good point.
Dragalge. Oh, and that's it's not
Oh.
hollow. That's the last one.
No! God, please, no! No!
Not very good pull so far. Your turn. Pick from
I
there.
got
Thank you.
one.
Don't forget
Yeah,
about
you
the
don't
card
have-
trick.
Oh, yeah.
Is this upside down or is it just me?
Oh, you did it upside down.
Oh, okay. So
The card trick.
show. Okay. Show the code.
White code.
Okay. Now the card trick. 1, 2. Think of something good. 3, 4.
4.
Okay. Now let's think about the energy.
I'm
I think
guessing
fire.
electric.
Electric again. I guess fire.
Oh, metal.
Okay, that's good.
So metal energy, same in. Crushing hammer,
Mm-hmm.
carnivine, purloin,
Purloin.
grabbing, scrap, weird artwork, Sedioctile, Wooloo, Corphish reversal, Wailord, and
And
that's it.
that's it. Okay. No. Let's see what I got. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's put this to the side.
You have 2, I have 3.
Oh, I think this is gonna be a good one. Doesn't open quite fast.
Yeah.
Oh, there's something here. Or is the code?
It's the code or
Yeah, it's the code.
yeah.
Yeah, it's the code. This is the code
The
card.
code's a little.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, the code was damaged a bit.
I think it's.
I saw
Sorry.
what it was. Not fire. It's not fire. Energy giraffe rig. Energy switch. Krokorok.
Crocorock.
Tangela. Baltoy. Galarian Meowth.
Oh.
Whelmer.
So,
Okay. Oh.
Sing.
What's this?
No.
Radiant.
It's Radiant.
Chargebug.
Chargebug, yay!
We had this one, but it's cool.
But it's cool. And
What's the last one?
still nice Radiant.
Still a good pull for me.
Yeah.
So I'm leading to 1.
I love the Radiant Pokemon. They're different colors.
So tough to open. So yeah, I
Yeah.
thought so. This one was not easy to open, and well, Chargebug. Really cool.
Okay.
Don't forget about turning.
Yeah. Okay.
Got the
The
code.
code card is white. 1, 2, 3,
4.
and 4. Just
Okay, let's think about energy. Think about water. We didn't have any water.
I think it's gonna be maybe a grass or a metal.
Okay.
I was thinking
electric.
electric.
Okay, this is the third pack. Electric.
Fourth pack,
Or fourth
that's
pack, okay.
electric, I guess. Oh, Luxio, what a surprise! Metang,
Shaman.
again. Riolu, Starly, Scyther, Emolga, Yangus, Sankor, another reverse, Oranguru.
This is the last one.
Oranguru.
But it's weird.
I like Oranguru.
I don't have 2 reverses. Only one reverse.
Yeah, it's just one reverse, normal, reverse, normal. That's weird.
Weird, not even a hollow.
Yeah, I mean, it's usually reverse and then a hole or a EX or something. It's
No.
very strange.
That's super weird.
I think there's gonna be something in this if you couldn't open it.
Yeah.
I'd like the Radiant Chargebug, maybe another Radiant card
No.
trick and think of the energy.
Yep. We got
White.
a code.
So no green.
1, 2, 3,
3,
4.
4. I think it's metal or water.
I'll say psychic.
Oh, got it.
We got one good. Lost Vacuum, Electric, Ultra Ball, Graben, Scrub, Helioptile,
Wooloo, rolling and roll
Wooloo,
out. Things. It's a reverse.
Yes, a reverse. Drogalgy,
And
Lycanroc.
But still, why is it a normal, reverse, and normal? Why aren't there
Yeah.
hollows?
Don't know. It's a weird pack.
Okay, my turn. I'll try that on the last pack magic.
Not.
Two last.
Oh,
last.
almost. Last.
Yeah, last for me and last for.
Trick and code and stuff.
Oh yeah. Okay. White. 1, 2, 3,
4.
I'll organize it. Energy, I think it's electric.
I'll say grass.
Did I do it wrong?
I don't know. Let's see.
You did have one there wasn't on
Yeah.
energy.
Electric.
So I think these guys are
This is
didn't
messed
drink their
up.
coffee.
Yeah.
Carnivine, Rare Candy, Galarian Meowth.
The 100th time.
Energy retrieval, sinks again. Lara Vista, this one we had. Ponyard, reverse coughing. The lights blinded the coughing, and the luxury.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
So no more pulls, just
Jesus.
toxicity,
Yeah.
rating charge bug, and Turtwig. That's weird.
my
Too
God.
weird.
Yeah.
I think it's
And last pack magic for me. We need something good here.
money, so V or anything else.
So look at the code. What code is this? Good code?
It's white.
1, 2, 3, 4. I didn't feel anything, so probably nothing. Psychic.
Psychic.
These are yours.
Energy switch.
Switch. Rock.
Rock.
Luna Stone. Rock.
It's hard to say.
Aron. Riolu. Starly. Scyther. Cherubi. And Enaris. Wow.
Nice.
No! No!
So just 3
Nothing.
pulls.
Jeez.
You win.
You have one more.
Oh yeah, I
One
didn't
more.
see
Last
it
pack
from
magic.
all the mess.
Pack magic.
Oh, yes,
That's the one.
finally.
That's the one.
Okay. The trick and the trick.
Yeah.
And the energy. Nice enough too. Was it upside down?
No.
Ah, yes. I was saying back to pack. It was upside down.
Yeah.
White gold card, as I expected. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I think it's psychic.
Nothing fire. Good.
Okay, I thought it was psychic because it was a lot. Dust globes, Metang, energy switch. Imonga, this is a cute art. Yungus, Cherubi has the normal. Execute, the exit is cute.
Oh, Ditto.
Oh, Ditto, we didn't have this one. Volcano. Oh my god. Last
We
pack
had this one.
magic.
We have it. We have this. That's all, everybody. We only got 4 pulls out of 11 packs. This was quite bad.
Yeah.
But we had fun. I really hope you had fun watching as well. Stick around for more. We're gonna do a Stellar Crown booster box unboxing. So that will be probably the next video, or depends how we post which one will be first. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. That will definitely help us, right?
Yeah.
And what else? Subscribe maybe?
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe, of course. Thank you all and see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.